Got it here 5 more pretty awesome knives. We're gonna start right here with the spider core. Let's see which one is this. Swabak pin. You see it right here? So anyways, it has a golden spider, or some people on YouTube calling it a golden tick. So let's see what's about. So pretty unique knife, as you can see. Nice tight pin, and how you open it is right here. Boom. Check out that design. That'll be really useful to open in boxes. I really like that pointy over here, sharp edge. Beautiful. Boom. Pretty nice and comfortable. With my big hands, boom, you could still open it and to where it flies out pretty good, but you cannot flick it open with this side because you see there is no like traditional hole for spider cut to open it like that. So the only way to open it with the thumb like this. Very comfortable. I love this knife. Very unique. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this. There's a spider core, and there's a STSXHP. It's all that stuff about the blade. There's a logo of a designer, Taichin, Taiwan. Hopefully I pronounce it well. Beautiful spider core knife. People love their spider core knives. Okay, Microtech people love a lot. So this right here is standard Exotech DE Outbreak. So let's see what's about. Nice. Oh, Outbreak, haha, this is like a zombie edition. Check this out, it has some zombie blood on it, I guess. Beautiful. Wow. There you go, there's your like a hazmat, like zombie logo, whatever. Button number and Outbreak 10/2021 Microtech, and serial number is 221. Microtechs usually have serial numbers. Ooh, that's so satisfying. Look how fatty that is. And it looks like it's rusty. That is quite unique. You see it? I like it. I have something special by Microtech similar than that, but different blade. Ooh, it flies out so fast. Crazy. Should film that in slow motion. You see, the blade is on this edge a little bit. That's cool. And this is your safety right here. It's kind of easy to pull and then it's harder. Very nice tiny zombie knife over here. Also, I should put it away, and let's see. Very soft clip. Very unique. I really like that. Okay, another Microtech knife. This one is Combator Dawn Signature Series Carbon Fiber Tab Damascus Standard Ridged hardware. So this one is, as you can see, limited edition. Let's see what's about. Wow, really big carbon fiber. I think this is my first carbon fiber window breaker. And as you can see, a long pull over here. Wow, Damascus steel. Look at that pattern. It is a big knife. Wow, it's almost hard to close. Do you see it? You really have to pull on that one. There's your clip, pretty soft clip. Signature 10/2021, Microtech logo, SN serial number 189. So again, check this out, this blade on the light. You see carbon fiber. It's pretty light, but still the back still all that metal. It's probably titanium. And look at that, beautiful blade, dagger style. Really long pull. You see, this is soft and this is really hard push. So it's a built-in safety. It's almost as hard as opening it, it's hard to close it too. So it's not gonna close on you by mistake. That's so unique. Check out the blades sideways a little bit. Very cool. Man, it is a pull. flies out really fast. Really nice Microtech knife. Okay, we have it here, Benchmade. Okay, this one is cashback. Everyday carry, tactical, auto open. So another automatic knife. You cannot buy this on eBay. You actually gotta go on websites to buy those. Okay, let's see what this one is about. This one almost like a traditional kitchen knife. There's the safety. Boom, you see it? It's just a very simple old school design. I really like it. Blue handle, soft, very soft clip. Benchmade. There's a butterfly Benchmade logo. On this side usually tells you this steel, S30V, and I guess it says just benchmade.com /pat. And to close it, you press a button and break it. And then there's a safety. Very nice and big knife, so it's actually very easy to use safety. Whenever you lock the safety, you press a button, it's not gonna close. You gotta press this, boom. So that's cool. Very unique. I really love that simple look of this knife, almost like a simple fixed blade knife, but at the same time it's automatic knife. It's really cool. Look at that, really thick blade. Love that. That's definitely a keeper. I like that design a lot. And the last one, we got it here, ZT, zero tolerance. Looks like it doesn't really tell us the name on here. It's just telling us all that good stuff about the steel and stuff, but hopefully it will say it on a knife. ZT boxes are not very impressive, but it is what it is. It's just a box. Anyways, I do like nice boxes. This is actually specifically what I was looking for, is a spring assist. You see, it's kind of hard to close because it's assisted. Let's see. You see, it's super easy to open it. But at the same time, because it's assisted, that little flipper over here, quite tight. But you know, it is a new knife. There you go, there's the design. Ooh, this one is much tighter clip, nice. And just a simple locking mechanism. So yeah, that's my first spring assist zero tolerance, and what do I think about them? It's pretty nice. Specifically, Kathleen wanted spring assist or automatic zero tolerance. I got it for her. Thought I'll show it to you guys in the video as well. There you go, there's a logo of a designer and all these button numbers, steel brand, ZT logo. Definitely because of the spring assist, it's quite tight to close it. You feel it? That resistance, boom, and it locks in. There you go. Let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite. I know, probably this one for me. Look at that. That's like over $1,000 knife. It is a long pull, probably the longest one I've seen. For those big Microtechs, it's quite hard to pull it.